Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 40690, a Lego Promotional, the tribute to Jules Verne's books. 351 pieces, Jules Verne minifigure, and the basis of this set is based on 3 of Verne's books. Of course, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Around the World in 80 Days, and 5 Weeks in a Balloon. And all encased in a book style diorama, which I think is just really, really neat. Looking forward to putting this together. I have seen 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. I've also read the book. I've seen a version of the Around the World in 80 Days. I have not seen or read anything about 5 Weeks in a Balloon, which is represented by the balloon up here. I don't know anything about it, unfortunately. But I think this is a really cool set. It's the latest in a line of, real historical figures. We have the Galileo, GWP, the Eiffel's apartment when the Eiffel Tower came out. Really cool. The Galileo, I think I already said that, but just really fantastic sets with historical basis. And I'm looking forward to putting this together. So let's get to it. welcome back to my review of the tribute to Jules Verne's books gift with purchase set. I love it. I think this is a fantastic GWP. A little smaller than I expected, but it is only 351 pieces, so it's not like terribly huge, but it's full of details. I'm gonna start off with the Jules Verne minifigure himself right here. Kind of nondescript, nothing fancy, some printing on the torso here. We have a black flame piece as a quill pen envelope there. Still cool to have a Jules Verne, technically, is what it's called. As far as the rest of the model, it's built on this book, which I think is just really cool. I mean, he was an author, so putting it in a book form as a set was pretty cool. The back of it is exposed, so it's not meant to be looked at from that angle. And as far as the rest of the details are concerned, starting up here at the top, we have a brick-built hot air balloon from 5 Weeks in a Balloon. That's the novel it's from. We have this train, which was an interesting build, especially the bridge and the individual cars were very interesting to build. This is from Around the World in 80 Days. And then in the front of it, in the water, we have the Nautilus, the submarine from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. We have a single sticker element right here with the Jules Verne signature on it. I like the little cloud pieces back here showing sky. I love the little feather piece as smoke from the train. I do like the hot air balloon. It's a very simple, yet very impactful design. I really do like that. And we even have a little bookmark sticking out the side here, which is, really indicates that this is a book set. And I love it. I am so thrilled that I managed to get this as a GWP. I remember I specifically went to the store that day picking up sets that I wanted specifically to get this set because I was really excited when this came out. I'm glad I've had the chance to build it. Lots of interesting little build techniques all over the place, especially down here in the Nautilus. We get some of those weird like teeth elements, some trans blue clear elements down here. We got the roller skates as the wheels of the train. Just a lot of good part usage, especially also inside the book itself. It's very like sturdy design inside as well. And I think that's just awesome. Good build, way to knock it out of the park, Lego, for a gift with purchase. This is just great. And that concludes the review of this set. Thank you for watching this far. If you followed this far, please consider giving me a like and a subscribe on this channel if you like Lego content. Please also consider following me on my other socials, TikTok and Instagram, both of which I have linked in the description below. And that'll take care of it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.